Good evening to everybody. Welcome to the TSAP LASET 2020, and today is the 21st session. That is the 21st lecture, which is in progress. And the participants, and I'm sure that you are one after another joining over there. And if you happen to see and what I posted on the screen, please read so that I could know. You could see the my screen. I could hear your voice also. Yes, anyone can unmute and read. Participants, anyone can unmute and read what I posted on the screen.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Difference between sea and ocean.
Okay.
Sea,
Go,
lesser depth.
go ahead.
Sir, sea, lesser depth, smaller area, more marine life, sir. Ocean, more depth, larger area, less marine life, sir.
Which is big?
Ocean is the big, sir.
Yes. What about the sea and river?
Uh, sea is the big, sir, and river is the small, sir.
Yes. Huge body of water is the sea and the thin and long body of water. And salt water is the sea and the fresh water is the river. And where river often end up in the sea, that is called estuary. Means a river and sea joined together is called estuary. Estuary. And the flow into the seas and oceans and lakes and other rivers is the river. Either river end in the lake, either river in the pond, either river in the sea, or river in the ocean, or any other river also. Then many comes from the higher to the level area, sea is concerned, and come from the higher area, generally the rivers are concerned. And here the took millions of years to form. Sea was means sea, but here some way only that several years to be formed means less time will be taken in the river. And seas don't exactly flood because of the massive water evaporation, but rivers definitely will flood it because the banks are very much less. Where we can find larger vessels like the ships and yachts in the sea, and in the only in the rivers, small vessels or boats and canoes and rafts and burros will be found in the river, and have waves much more slower in the sea, but running water which moves faster here in the river. And there are 7 seas total. I don't know how many people will remember what are the 7 seas. And in the history also, in the mythology also, they will see సప్త ఏడు సముద్రాలు దాటి సప్త అంటేనే ఏడు రా బాబు, ఏడు అంటేనే సప్త, రెండు కూడా కలపద్దు. సప్త చెప్పండా లేకుంటే ఏడన్నా చెప్పాలా. ఈ సప్త సముద్రాలు దాటిన తర్వాత ఏమున్నది ఎలుక, అది చిలుక ప్రాణం ఎవరి బాలనాగమ్మన. Okay, let us come to there are about 165 major rivers over there in general. This is the difference that I would like to show the rivers and the sea. Then why I am giving this thing is let me see, check it your mental ability to a certain extent before I am giving the my yes to the yes. Let me see what I am going to show you there. Yes, this I have not opened it. Yes, yes. Continent. We should have to open it. Yes, continent is a bigger or smaller? Anyone? Continent is a bigger or a smaller? Yes,
Bigger.
bigger. Very good. Here I have shown. Did you? Can you read it? What is there? I have shown up continent. Okay. Say okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then what is below? తొందర చెప్పాలండి. తెలిస్తే తెలియదనండి, లేకుంటే లేదనండి, కనబడతలేదనండి కనీసం. ఎస్, ఐ హావ్ నౌ magnified. What is the below? Continent below, what is there?
Country.
Country. Then cosmopolitan city or metropolitan city later on. Then what is there next?
Town.
Town.
Village.
Town. ఇంకా దానికన్నా చిన్నది
Village,
Village.
sir.
విలేజ్. విలేజ్ కన్నా చిన్నది చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ వాంట్. విలేజ్ కన్నా చిన్నది చెప్పాలా? Yes. If you know it, you tell me. If you don't know it, you say pass on.
Sir, pass on, sir.
This
What-
is called Hamlet అంటారు దీన్ని. This is called Hamlet. Okay, now we will go from here. Ocean పెద్దది, తర్వాత sea, తర్వాత then river, then stream, then creek. Then what is here? Question mark. If you know it, you tell me. If you don't know it, you say pass on. Don't waste the time.
Sir, I think so. Lake, sir.
లేక్ పెద్దదండి, లేక్ స్టాగ్నెంట్, అది పాండ్ స్టాగ్నెంట్, బట్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ మూవింగ్.
Yes, sir.
ఎస్
Sir, pass on, sir.
ఎస్, ఇట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ brook. A mental ability question would be there. The smallest one is brook, later on creek, later on stream, later on river, later on sea, later on ocean would be there. But river sometimes ends in the lake. A river sometimes ends with the another river. River sometimes meets with the sea. A rivers less places that you could see the river will meet the ocean. Yes, these are the things which I want to make it out. Then in the GK that I would like to introduce today to my better half, and whose name is Afzal Shehnaz, and she will deal the today GK to you. And now I will switch over to my wife. Her name is AFZAL Afzal Shehnaz, space SHAHANAZ, and she will deal the today's class regarding the mental general knowledge is concerned.
Hello, good evening. Here
Good
I'm
evening, ma'am.
taking general knowledge, current affairs class. So, first question I'm presenting before you. What is the biggest natural harbor in the world? Number 1, Massawa Harbor. Number 2, London Harbor. Number 3, Sydney Harbor. Number 4, Bahrain Harbor. So,
Among the four, which is the right one? Please give the. If it is wrong, also doesn't matter. There is no negative marks.
Bahrain Harbor.
Second option.
Pass on.
the correct answer is Sydney Harbor. Sydney Harbor here in Australia. This is thought by many to be the deepest and largest natural harbor in the world, being over 11 miles long, 17.7 kilometers, and covering the area of 21 square miles, 54 kilometers. The harbor contains several islands and is home to over 580 species of fish.
Yes, the here a supplementary question would be there. And which is the world harbor where you can produce the so many number of the species of the fish? At that instance, you can say the Sydney Harbor. And Sydney is where?
Aus-
Australia. And Australia capital is? Why you are asking? Why you are taking that much time? Sir, Melbourne? Not at all. Sydney. Why you are taking that much time? Is it wrong? Yes, anyone? Please pass on. Give me the answer. Are you hearing me? At least say hearing me.
Yes, sir.
But why you are
Yes,
so
sir.
silent? If you are so silent, I will be in the confusion. Either if you know it, you can tell me. If you don't know it, you can say pass on.
Pass on.
How could you say that Australia capital? See, that is the biggest capital. Okay, doesn't matter because every person should have some. At least you know that India capital.
Delhi.
Yes,
Is
sir.
there anybody who doesn't know the India capital?
Australia, Canberra.
Who said Canberra, Australia? I will show you the Google search engine to make it clear. Australia capital is, yes, it is a Canberra, federal capital of the Commonwealth, Australia. It occupies the part of the Australian Capital Territory Act. Southeastern Australia is about 150 miles. It is the Canberra lies astride the Molonglo River, which is a tributary for the another river is there. Yes, the answer is
Canberra.
Canberra is the right answer. So if you know it, you tell me, because I myself also in the confusion would be there. So errare est human. Where is a human being? So one should have to keep in the mind. Okay? Suppose if I am wrong, that you can make me correct, because always one is not right in the most of the times, because sometimes students also write. That's what I want to say to you. Now let us come back to the our study is concerned. Yes, let us go. Please continue.
Now I'm coming to the second question, which is the deepest harbor port in India? Kakinada Port,
Krishnapatnam Port.
Port, Visakhapatnam Port, none of the above.
Yes, one of the, before we finish the four questions, one of the answer is already given over there, but naturally that she is not that much expert would be, then feedback is not shown over there on the screen. But anyway, that many people know see it is the Krishna port, which is the capital of handling the 75 million tons of the cargo per annum, is the deepest port of India with a draft of the 18.5 meters. Yes, next question.
Now the third question, which is a natural harbor opens to the Arabian Sea to the south? Number 1, Visakhapatnam Harbor. Number 2, Kochi Port. Number 3, Mumbai Harbor. None of the above.
The fourth one is none of the above. Hurry up.
Visakhapatnam, sir. Visakhapatnam
It
harbor
is
is
a,
natural.
is a natural harbor, but does it open to the Arabian Sea?
Oh.
To the south.
Oh.
Bombay is the western side. So the Bombay harbor, right one is?
Bombay Harbor. The Marathi it is called Bandar. Also Front Bay or Bombay Harbor is a natural deep water harbor in the southern portion of the Alhas River estuary. The narrower northern part of the estuary is called Thana Creek. The harbor opens to the Arabian Sea to the south.
Yes, that I already told you that what is a creek, what is a stream, what is a brook, what is a river, what is the sea, and what is the ocean. So creek is different, but estuary I already told you that where the river meets with the sea and sea meets with the river, that confluence is called estuary. Estuary. But there is another word is there which is called actuary. 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 It means an expert who fixes the premium for the insurance, and he is good in the mathematics as well as good in the statistics. That the wordings are there. False cognates I already told you, like the homonyms and paronyms. And homonyms means sounds alike, but the meaning is different and spelling is different. So that is called homonyms or homophones, or we can say false cognates. Professor Hussain students will not say homophones or homonyms. They will say what they will say. What they will say? Just now I told you. Say pass on if you don't know it.
Cognates.
Pass on. False cognates. F-A-L-S-E. False space cognates. C-O-G-N-A-T-E-S. That means sounds alike, meaning is different, spelling is different. Another synonym is homophones, or another synonym is paronyms also. We can say paronyms also, we can say homophones, homonyms, paronyms. But the Professor Hussain students will say, yes?
False cognates.
False cognates. I appreciate. Next, go.
Now we come to the fourth question, which is the oldest port of India? Number 1,
Kolkata Port.
Kolkata Port, Mumbai Port, Madras Port, none of the above.
Kolkata Port. Option 1.
Yes, it is true. Calcutta port.
Kolkata Port.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Because it is the oldest port in India. Next, fifth
Next.
question.
Fifth question, which state has the largest number of ports? Number 1, West Bengal. Number 2, Tamil Nadu. Number 3, Andhra Pradesh. And number 4, Kerala.
Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
Very good.
Correct.
Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, with three major ports, stands on the top of the list of the states with the maximum number of major ports in India. Now, sixth question. Which city is known as Port City? Number 1, Pondicherry. Number 2, Kakinada. Number 3, Rajahmundry. Number 4, Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam.
You're right. It is the Visakhapatnam is the port city.
The port city Visakhapatnam is located on the southeast coast of India in the state of Andhra Pradesh. It has one of the India's largest seaport and oldest shipyard of the country. Seventh question. What is the name of the port in Kolkata? Number 1, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port. Number 2, Shyam Bengal Port. Number 3, Satyajit Ray Port. And the fourth is Jyoti Basu Port.
Option 1.
Say the name. Utter the name.
Rama Prasad Mukherjee Fort.
Why you are taking that much time to utter the name? Yes, you are right. The Union Cabinet chaired by the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has given its approval to rename the Kolkata port as a Shyama Prasad Mukherjee port. Next.
Who is the largest shipping company in the world? Number 1, Mediterranean Shipping Company. Number 2, Hapag-Lloyd. And number 3, Moller Maersk. And number 4, Cosco Shipping Lines.
The largest shipping company in the world. And you might have seen the railways. The wagons are going over there. In the wagons, there is a containers. You do see it. What would be the written on the containers? It is a hint. Try it even though it is not negative marks.
Option 4.
No, it is a 3. Moller Maersk. Yes, Moller Maersk, it is one of the company, the largest integrated shipping company with a total company of the 4.1 million TEU. I will tell you what is TEU. It operates a fleet of 708 vessels, including the 307 own container vessels and 401 chartered container vessels of December 2019. The second one is Mediterranean Shipping Company, the second largest, and the third is Cosco Shipping Lines, and the fourth one is the France CMA CGM, and Hapag is the sixth. So these are the different companies would be the topmost in the world. Then what is the TEU stands for?
Number 1, 20 feet equivalent unit. Number 2, 20 foot equivalent unit. Number 3, 21 foot equivalent unit. And 4, 22 foot equivalent unit.
The full form of TEU is the container unit. Try it,
20
doesn't matter.
unit.
Which is the option?
Option 2, sir.
Yes, it is a 20-foot equivalent unit is the right answer for the TEU, which is the container size. The 20-foot equivalent unit is an explicit unit of measurement used to determine the cargo capacity of the container ships and terminals. This measurement is derived from the dimensions of the 20-feet standardized shipping containers. Next, 10th question.
10th question is here. Who invented TEU? Number 1, Malcolm Marshall. Number 2, Malcolm McLean. Number 3, McQueen. Number 4, MacDonald.
The unit, who is founder of the unit?
Option 2.
Yes, it is a Malcolm McLean is the option 2 is the right answer. and TU has its roots in the way of shipping containers became a standardized size. The origin goes back to decades. A man named Malcolm McLean. As the story goes, Malcolm McLean was a trucking entrepreneur who found the cargo loading and unloading process back in the early 1900s. Troublesome and time-consuming person who were there at the time, Malcolm McLean. The 11th question, wait.
11th question is, which company manufactures largest in the world container shipping companies? Number 1, CMA CGM, France. Number 2, Casco, China. Number 3, Morris Klein, Denmark. Number 4, MS Company, Switzerland.
Earlier we asked the ship manufacturing, and now I ask container manufacturing.
Option 2.
No, it is a Maersk Line. Again, the Denmark will there, and they are the very good in the container. And you will see the most of the Maersk monogram would be there, and the wagons which is carrying the containers from the north to south, south to north, and across the India. Yes, that is the largest company. So the Maersk Line is given over there, which headquarters is Denmark, and Mediterranean Shipping Company, the second one is the Switzerland, and CMA CGM is the France, and Casco is the China. And this is the Maersk liner, which is carrying the cargo. It's carrying the cargo containing the passengers. Containing the, please fill up the blank. If you don't know, you say pass on.
Passengers.
Containers. Those are all containers you have seen. The Maersk containers are there, no? Piled up like a heap on the ship. If the Maersk liner, that is the first one, and CMA CGM, and this is the France, and the two companies, CMA means Compagnie Maritime d'Appartement, that is the CMA, and there's a Compagnie Generale Maritime CGM, both the company amalgamated, and they manufactured, and they found another company, which is also the containing, what I say, carrying the containers across the highest transport through the land, via water or via air. Anyone? Supplementary question. In the world, the largest cargo will be supplied by the air or on water or by road. అబ్బాయి ఇంత చెప్పిన తర్వాత కూడా ఇంత సేపనండి కార్గో ద వరల్డ్ అంతా చెప్తున్నాను నేను. ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్ టు యూ. China also, Casco is a Casco shipping. It is a special also. It is a China which is carrying the ships over there and supplying over there. But the most of the things, especially the containers, what I came to know is that the cheapest cargo, the supplying is Japan. Japan cargo is, they are taking the less amount, what I heard is from the people. Yes, next, 12th question.
Now, 12th question. Which ocean is the hottest one? Number 1, Indian Ocean. Number 2, Antarctica Ocean. And number 3, the Pacific Ocean. Number 4 is the Southern Ocean.
The Pacific Ocean.
Yes. Read the feedback.
The waters of the Pacific Ocean comprise the world's largest heat reservoir by far, and it is the warmest ocean overall of the world's 5 oceans.
See, the 5 oceans, what are they? Can you tell me? What are the 5 oceans in the world? Supplementary question. If you know it, you tell me. If you don't know it, you say pass on. Don't waste the time. And don't look at the smartphone.
Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean.
Southern Ocean. We studied in the Bhugolika Shastramu at the time in the school level. And these are the oceans over there. Then we say the seven seas. What are the seven seas? Anyone, if you know it, you can tell me. If you don't know it, you say pass on. Yes? Seven seas. You don't know it, I will give the answer. It's the Adriatic Sea and the Arabian Sea, the Black Sea, the Caspian Sea and Mediterranean Sea and Persian Gulf and Red Sea. These are the seas should be there. Go to the 13th one.
13 question here. What's the saltiest ocean? What is the saltiest ocean?
Number one.
Number 1, Antarctica Ocean. Number 2, Pacific Ocean. Number 3, Southern Ocean. Number 4, Atlantic Ocean.
Yes.
Atlantic Ocean.
Option.
Option, sir.
Option 4. It is the five ocean basin. The Atlantic Ocean is the saltiest ocean. Means so much salt would be there. And what is the pH value for saltiness? Alkaline. We studied pH. Neutral is 7. More acidic is 1. And more alkaline is 14. Yes, next comes.
The 14th question. Where is the Dead Sea located or adjacent to?
Which country?
Number 1, Eritrea. Number 2, Jordan. Number 3, Yemen. Number 4, Philippines.
Done.
Which one?
Option 2.
Yes, it's the Jordan because the Dead Sea is called the Salt Sea. Is a salt lake bordering the Jordan to the east and the Israel to the west. That is the sea. Next, 15th is the last.
Now,
After turn of my better half.
what are the Red Sea Basin countries? Are all except one country.
Number 1.
Number 1, Djibouti. Number 2, Egypt. Number 3, Eritrea. Number 4, Ethiopia.
These are the countries where one is not touching the, means one country is not touched to that country. Means this river,
Red Sea.
the Red Sea. Not river actually, it's the Red Sea.
Egypt.
No, it covers Egypt, it covers Djibouti, it covers Eritrea, but not Ethiopia, because Ethiopia is a landlocked country. It contains the Egypt, with Eritrea, Saudi Arabia, Sudan, and Yemen. See, you could see the Red Sea here, which I am showing. It is start, which is a light blue color Red Sea, and where the Egypt is touched, and here Saudi Arabia is touched, and Sudan is touched, Eritrea is touched, Yemen is touched, Djibouti is touched, but Ethiopia is not touched because Ethiopia is a landlocked country. Yeah, with this 15, my better half role is over. Now I will come to the picture. Then I will relieve her. Then and she will continue it if possible from 16 to 30 tomorrow if everything goes well. Then our mental ability. So where you are in the last class in mental ability? Anyone can give me the feedback? Yes. We are at the axe, hatchet, hammer. We did it this thing. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. What about the tree? Tree is having shadow. We also did it because I told you, and one of the participants given the answer also.
Option 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's why I told you. No, we did this thing also. Next, then we will go to the next. This we have not touched it. What is which one? Tree or plant or palm gives oxygen for 24 hours? Aloe vera, banyan tree, peepal tree, date palm.
Aloe vera.
It is aloe vera which is gives the oxygen for 24 hours. Aloe vera is very good. Even you can eat the aloe vera raw also. And aloe vera, what I say, even bathing soaps, even what do you say, oils, and many other cosmetics. Aloe vera is there, and it's very good. Especially this will be more used in the African continent. Yes, sir. Whenever the list of the plants with the benefit is made, aloe vera is tops the charts always listed one of the plants improving the air. The air of the NASA aloe vera emits oxygen at the night and increases the longevity of our life. More oxygen will be given by the it gives increases the oxygen more. The scenery. So how the oxygen will come? So what is the process is called? Yes. Where the oxygen will be released, what do you call the process?
Photosynthesis.
Why you are taking that much time to give that? We are ready in the elementary level. Sir, in elementary only you have forgotten, sir. How could you remember the sir? We cannot remember the yesterday thing what we ate. How could you remember now today? No. Remembrance should be there because it's a sharp maths. It counts, especially the last student should have the both edged sharpness like this. Yes, both edged sharpness one should have to have it. Yeah, scenery or scenario? Scenery, right? It's 108 question is scenery always has. What the scenery should have? Is it have the rivers, mountains, three paints, or composition? Fourth,
Option 3, sir. Paints.
paints లోనే scenery ఉంటుందా అండి? రివర్ ఉండదా అండి? మౌంటైన్ ఉండదా అండి? Composition. It's the combination of all. What is that? Answer is
Option 4.
option 4. It should have the river, it should have the mountain, it should have the painting, it should have the color, it should have the lawn, it should have the animals and all the things. Then we can say it's the scenery. Okay, next 109 question. There are 4 rooks or castles in a game of chess. Number 1, never. Number 2, often. Number 3, always. Number 4, sometimes. Because naturally, when the caste is there, caste is not for the 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day till the death. Always it is there. Caste also. In the same way, in the chess, the rooks are the castles. It will be the always. It will be there in the chess. But I would like to ask you that how many boxes are there in the chess board?
64.
What are the colors?
White and black.
Black.
I appreciate. And who will start the first game? With what?
White, sir.
Ah,
White
white,
with
white.
soldier.
Yes. How many white squares and how many black squares? Already you give the answer. I need not to go through it because 32 white and 32 black squares would be there. The right answer and the option is from 2. TW2. The right answer. Feedback is 8 pawns. Can you tell me what are the details? Details. Okay, 8 pawns are there. How many queens? How many kings? How many rooks? How many knights? Yes. Sir, we don't know, sir. Sir, we never played the chess, sir. Yes, it, the 8 pawns are the chess pieces are you move on a chessboard. When playing the game of the chess, there are 6 different types of the chess pieces are there. Each side start with the 16 pieces. 8 pawns are there. 2 bishops are there. 2 knights are there. 2 rooks are there. 1 queen is there. 1 king is there. The total becomes 16 one side and 16 another side. Okay, let us see. 111 Q, that is the 111 Q, that is the question. What is the most powerful chess piece? More powerful, Andy? Home Minister powerful. Who is the Home Minister? Queen.
Pin, sir. Pin.
Yes, I do have in my house when I brought it when I was got married over there. A saying is there, not a saying, a stanza is written over there which is hanged against the wall. That stanza goes in this way. I am the boss in my house. I repeat, I am the boss in my house, but I do have permission to say so. ఏమర్థమైందండి? ఏమన్నా అర్థమైందా అండి? Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
That is the housewife is the I am the boss, sir. So
I do have I do have such permission to say so means I do have my wife permission to say so.
Yes, sir.
That is the meaning. That is the hidden there. My wife permission. Okay. The queen is the most powerful piece of the in the game of chess. That is the thing. The 112 question. Bar Council of India, BCI, Chairman. Mannan Kumar Mishra. Okay, very good. Sir, we don't know, sir. We know only the what is Sanat Sri, Secretary, only we know it. Okay. Telangana State Bar Council Chairman. Here I have given the option. B. Narasimha Reddy, A. Narasimha Reddy, B. S. Prasad, Tushar Mehta.
Sir, option 3.
అది అడ్వకేట్ జనరల్ నాయన బండా ఎస్ ప్రసాద్ అడ్వకేట్ జనరల్ ఆఫ్ ది తెలంగాణ బట్ తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ బార్ కౌన్సిల్ చైర్మన్ ఇస్ బి నరసింహారెడ్డి ఈ తుషార్ మెహతా ఇక్కడ కాదు సెంట్రల్ లా ఏంటిది ఈజ్ ఏ సాలిసిటర్ జనరల్ అక్కడ అండ్ అటార్నీ జనరల్ అక్కడ ఎవరంటే మన కేకే వేణుగోపాల్ subject to the correction. I am right. So now the new secretary for the Telangana State Bar Council is V. Nagalakshmi now. It is N. Nagalakshmi now, but earlier it is a V. For Ravi Kumar, not. Says another name would be there, which I forget, which is that Renuka. Yes. Renuka was there earlier, secretary. Her term is over. Then Nagalakshmi became the secretary of the State Bar Council of Telangana. Of course, in the same way, the people should have to read even the Bar Council chairman of the AP Bar Council and secretary also in the simultaneous. Yes. The earlier secretary Telangana State Bar Council Hyderabad is SV Renuka, and now secretary is sorry. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పిండ్రు కదా సార్ మరి మీరు చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు yes. Just now I repeated. I told just now. సార్ మీరు నాగలక్ష్మి అన్నారు కానీ సార్ ఏ నాగలక్ష్మి అన్నారు మాకు గుర్తులేదు సార్ ఎన్ నాగలక్ష్మి ద ప్రజెంట్ వన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ బి నాగలక్ష్మి నాట్ ఎన్ రాధిక నాట్ కే అనసూయ ఓకే 114 కార్పెంటర్ బేసిక్ టూల్ ఈజ్ రంపము ఏమనాలండి ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఏమనాలండి అక్కడ రాసిన కదండి చూసన్నా చెప్పండి SAW సా అండ్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద మేషన్ బేసిక్ టూల్ ఈస్ మేషన్ అంటే ఎవరండి ఇల్లు కట్టేటోళ్ళు
టాపీ పని
బ్రిక్కా ఏది మేషన్ బేసిక్ టూల్ ప్లంబ్ బాబా ట్రావెలా ట్యాంపరా సార్ అసలు దీనికి అర్థాలు తెలిస్తే కాదు సార్ మాకు మేము చెప్పేది ఇఫ్ యూ నో ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ నోన్ సార్ వీ కుడ్ గివ్ దట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద బేసిక్ టూల్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ ద మేషన్ వాట్ హీ యూజెస్ వాట్ హీ హోల్డ్స్ ఇన్ ద హ్యాండ్ సార్ హీ హోల్డ్స్ ఇన్ ద హ్యాండ్ ఓకే బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ హోల్డ్స్ ఇన్ ద హ్యాండ్ ఇన్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ హీ హోల్డ్స్ ద బ్రిక్ వాట్ అబౌట్ ద ఇన్ ద రైట్ హ్యాండ్ వాట్ హీ హోల్డ్స్ ఎస్ ఆ ఆప్షన్లకి వెళ్ళి ఏదో ఒకటి ఏ రాదండి దెబ్బ యు ట్రై టు మేక్ ఇట్ వన్ సార్ మేము ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్ మేము స్మార్ట్ ఫోన్ లా కాబట్టి ఇంకొంచెం టైం తగ్గుతుంది సార్ మాకు ఓకే దట్ థింగ్ విల్ నాట్ బి అలౌడ్ ఇన్ ద ఎగ్జామినేషన్ హాల్ ద టైమ్ ఇస్ నాట్ 30 seconds ట్రావెల్ అంటారు దాన్ని టాపిని ఏమనాలా పెట్టండి చూడండి TROWL ట్రావెల్ ఈ మొదటి బొమ్మ చెప్పండి వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఫిగర్ ఇమేజ్ లెఫ్ట్ నుండి చెప్పండి
సార్ SAW సార్ రంపం
తర్వాత రైట్ కి మళ్ళీ తర్వాత రైట్ కి ఏమున్నది గుండుదారం సార్ ఏమనాలా వాట్ యు సే ప్లంబ్ బాబ్ నెక్స్ట్ ద ఒరిజినల్ ఆన్సర్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ట్రావెల్ TROW కొన్ని చోట్ల TRAVEL కూడా రాశారు బట్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్లేసెస్ దట్ ఐ సా ద TROWEL ట్రావెల్ ఇస్ ఎ తాపి of course there are many types of the tapis are there then what about the extreme right sir brush అది బ్రష్ కాదు, అది ట్యాంపర్. అది ట్యాంపర్ దేనికి పనిచేస్తుందండి? లెవెలింగ్ చేయడానికి.
లెవెలింగ్ సాఫ్ట్ చేయటానికి సార్.
సాఫ్ చేయడం కాదు, మొత్తం లెవెల్ చేయడానికి. ఎత్తు పల్లాలు ఉంటే లెవెల్ చేయడానికి ట్రాంపింగ్ చేస్తారు. Yes, let us come to the 115 question. Is arrange these words in alphabetical order and tick the one that comes last. Yes. Abandon, actuate, accumulate, acquit. ఈ పదాలన్నీ ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ లాస్ట్ వస్తే ఏది లాస్ట్ కి వస్తుంది ఈ పదము? I don't think it's a tough question. మీకు డిక్షనరీ చూడడం తెలిసేస్తే you can easily make it out. Which word will come last in the alphabetical order? Why you are taking this much time? సార్ ఏబి నుండి చూడండి, ఏ తర్వాత బి చూడండి, బి తర్వాత సి చూడండి, సి తర్వాత డి చూడండి, డి తర్వాత అట్లా చూసుకుంటే రండి, ఏది వస్తుంది లాస్ట్ కి?
Option 3.
యాక్విట్. వై యు ఆర్ టేకింగ్ దట్ వన్? ఒక చూపులో చెప్పొచ్చు. ఏబి ఏసి ఓకే, సిసిలు ఉన్నది ఏదండి, ఏసి క్యూ క్యూ ఉన్నది ఓకే కాదు, అది ఏసిటి టక్ అవుట్. What is the next? Is the answer is
3. Acquit.
Answer is acquit because the here first letter are common, second letter are the B C C C C C. One of the four words having the C is the last word. Let us see the third letter now. That is the third letter is the D. T C Q H. The clearly the T is the last. Hence the actuate is the last word. 116. Can anyone read? Can anyone unmute and read what is 116 question?
Sir, 116 question, sir. If you write down all the numbers from 1 to 100, then how many times do you write 3?
ఈ మూడు లెటర్ numerical, how many times it will come when you write from 1 to 100? సార్ రాసి చూడాలా సార్ ఇప్పుడు. 11 times, 18 times, 20 times, 21 times. సార్ 3, 13, 30, 33, 43, 53, 63.
21 times.
ఎస్
21. 21 sir, 4.
20 సార్లే వస్తాయి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, 20 is the right answer. Third is clearly from 1 to 100 there are 10 numbers with 3 as the unit digit. 3, 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93. 10 members అయిపోయినా with 3 with the 10th digit. ఆ తర్వాత 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. ఇవి 10 అయిపోయినాయా? అయినాయా?
Okay.
10 plus 10,
20.
20. ఈ ప్లస్ ని ఏమంటారండి? ప్లస్ అని చెప్పాను, ఇది ప్లస్ అంటారు. మరి అది దాన్ని సబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్ ఏమనాలి? వాట్ యు సే సబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్? మైనస్. సార్ మాకు తెలుసు సార్, మీరు ఏం అడుగుతారు నాకు ఇప్పుడు.
Sir,
అందరికీ తెలుసు
33
because
double వచ్చింది sir.
యా ఎస్
33 33 వచ్చింది sir.
3 ఎన్ని సార్లు వస్తుంది అనేది. ఇప్పుడు వాడు కౌంట్ లో వేస్తుందంటే 21 వస్తాయా 20 వస్తుందా అనేది, 3 ఎన్ని సార్లు వచ్చింది అనేది ఆన్సర్. ఇప్పుడు 3 ఒకటే. ఇప్పుడు 33లో ఒకసారి కౌంట్ చేస్తారా, 2 సార్లు కౌంట్ చేస్తారా డిజిట్?
2 సార్లు.
11 వస్తున్నాయి కదా సార్ అందులో.
ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్, లెట్ వి సీ ద క్వశ్చన్ వాట్ చేసి. ఇఫ్ యు రైట్ డౌన్ ఆల్ ద నెంబర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 1 to 33, దెన్ హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ డూ యూ రైట్ 3? అంటే ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ దే కౌంట్ చేస్తాండి ఇక్కడ. ఆన్సర్లు చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ దే కౌంట్ చేసింది చూడండి. 3, 13, 23, 33. ఈ 33లో 3 20 అయినా కానీ ఇందులో 10 కౌంట్ చేసిండు చూడండి. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 కౌంట్ చేసిండు. అంటే ద సెకండ్ డిజిట్ ని కౌంట్ చేయాలి అన్నట్టు. రిపీట్ అయింది కంటిన్యూ చేయాలి. ఇజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్?
సార్ 20 కరెక్ట్.
ఎందుకు కరెక్ట్ చెప్పనైనా? ఒక్క యూనిట్ అన్నాడు, యూనిట్స్ డిజిట్ అన్నాడు, యూనిట్ డిజిట్ అన్నాడు. ఇక్కడ యూనిట్ డిజిట్ అంటే అర్థం, యూనిట్ అంటే ఒకటి, సింగిల్. అప్పుడు 33లో 2 డిజిట్లు ఉన్నాయి. మనం we don't count 2 డిజిట్లు 3 we cannot take as a 2, we take it as a 1 because it starts with the 3 or any one of the digit will be taken as a 3. ఇప్పుడు మనం చెప్తాం చూడు, మనం ఏమంటాం, ఓకే బికాస్ విల్ స్టాప్ ఇట్, దెన్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ దట్ వన్ బికాస్ వీ విల్ స్టాప్ ఇట్ హియర్ బై ద 1116 1117, that will make it out, then I will put the which mark I am keeping here, which mark I am keeping here, asterisk asterisk. ఒకటి ఇప్పుడు now I will make the general. What is comes once in a tea and twice in a coffee అంటాం, అంటే అర్థం ఏంటిది? What is that which comes once in a tea and twice in a coffee? సార్ చక్కెర, చక్కెర టీలో ఉండదా కాఫీలో ఉండదా అండి? సార్ కాఫీ, సార్ పొడి, పొడి రెండిట్లు ఉంటుంది. సార్ నీళ్లు రెండిట్లు ఉంటాయి. ఎస్,
మిల్క్.
మిల్క్ రెండిట్లు ఉంటాయి. ఎందుకంటే ఐఎమ్ డైవర్టింగ్ యువర్ మూవ్ టు దట్ కంటెంట్. మీరు కంటెంట్ కి పోకండి, స్పెల్లింగ్ లో చూడండి. వాట్ ఈజ్ వన్స్ కమ్స్ ఇన్ ఎ టీ ట్వైస్ ఇన్ ఎ కాఫీ. వన్స్ ఇన్ ఎ టీలో ఈ ఒకటేసారి వచ్చింది, కాఫీలో చూడండి ఎన్నిసార్లు వచ్చింది.
డబల్
అది సంగతి. ఇప్పుడు పొడుపు కథ అంటారు చూడు, టస్సల్స్ అంటాం మనం, ఇది కూడా వన్ ఆఫ్ ది టస్సల్ అన్నట్టు. ఏమని, వాట్ ఈజ్ వన్స్ కమ్స్ ఇన్ ఎ టీ అండ్ ట్వైస్ ఇన్ ఎ కాఫీ. ఇట్లాంటిది ఇంకోటి చెప్తాను చూడండి. 10 horses have 24 legs. 10 T and 10 horses have 24 legs. నేను చెప్పింది కరెక్ట్, ఐ విల్ ప్రూవ్ ఇట్. సార్ అది ఎట్లా ఉంటాయి సార్, 10 గుర్రాలు అన్నారు, 10 గుర్రాలకు ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి సార్, ముందటి కాళ్ళు పడితే 20 ఉంటాయి సార్, మరి 24 అంటారు ఏంటి సార్? బాబా మీరు లెక్క అట్లా చేయకండి, యూ డోంట్ గో ఇన్ దట్ ఆస్పెక్ట్, యూ గో ఇన్ దిస్ ఆస్పెక్ట్. 24 లెగ్స్ అన్నా నేను, ఎందుకంటే ముందటి కాళ్ళను 4 లెగ్స్ అంటారు, వెనక కాళ్ళను హిండ్ లెగ్స్ అంటారు. ఏమంటారు? రిపీట్.
ఇండెక్స్.
ఫ్రంట్ లెగ్స్ ని అనాలా 4 లెగ్స్ అంటారు, FORE4. అది ఆ 4 కాదు, 24 కాదు. అది ఏది 24? TWENTY-FOUR4 కాదు, ఇక్కడ FORE4. హిండ్ లెగ్స్ అంటే వెనక కాళ్ళు అని. సో 10 horses have 24 legs అంటే రైట్ అన్నట్టు. వెదర్ మై స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ రైట్ ఆర్ నాట్?
Right.
Right. So that is the way we have to make it out. And how we can make it out regarding the mental aptitude is concerned. Regarding the mental aptitude is concerned. ఇప్పుడు ఫ్లాస్క్ ఉన్నది, we can keep hot to hot and cold to cold. What is the reason? Yes. సార్ మా దగ్గర హాట్ పాట్ ఉన్నది సార్, హాట్ బాక్స్ ఉంది సార్, we have the hot box in our kitchen. If you keep the chapati hot, it will be hot for a longer time. If you keep the cool one, it will be cool for the longer time. Why? What is the reason? Simple reason kadandi, it's not that much hard. Vacuum ఇన్సులేషన్ అక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారంటే వాక్యూమ్ పెట్టేస్తారు కదండి. ఫ్లాస్క్ లో వాక్యూమ్ ఉంటుంది చూడండి, అంటే లోపల గేమ్ ఉంటుంది గాలి, అంటే బయటిది లోపటి రాదు, లోపటిది the outer side will not come inner side will not go to the outer side. That's why a cool becomes cool and hot becomes hot. Retains as a hot. Retains అంటే తెలుసు కదండి. ఎస్, ఆర్ యు లిస్నింగ్ మీ? మాట్లాడండి, లేకుంటే నాకు తెలియదు మీరు ఉన్నారా పోయినరా లేకుంటే క్లోజ్ అయిందా.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have to speak. Why you are